Good sized dent in the liftgate right here. I have a Toyota Sienna here with just a good sized dent in the liftgate right here. Luckily, there's plenty of access inside of here to work it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this, and that's really all I have to do is straighten out this liftgate and get it primed up. Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at RoadTek. RoadTek is a new innovative company that just won the SEMA Show 2024 Best New Tool Award. Guys, you don't have to pump anymore. All you have to do is you just push a button. It's really as simple as that. These are battery powered 20 volt e-jacks, and it works great if you don't have much space in your garage, you don't have space to swing a jack handle, or you're going way up underneath a vehicle and you barely have any swing with the jack handle. You could get these with big wheels, or they're also available with caster wheels, just depending on what surface you're working on. They also have long reach jacks, which is what you see me using right here to go way up underneath a vehicle. I'll be honest, guys, I will never use a traditional jack again. After using this, there's no way I can ever go back. Go to shoproadtek.com and get yours today. So I went ahead and I wanted to snap this molding in just to make sure it fits properly, and everything looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this molding back off, get this one cleaned up and taped up, and get it primed up.